Hi, welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today. Now then, let's have some fun. This is where the fun starts.
Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with that?
There's nothing to be afraid of.
Practice until you can meditate. Nothing can distract you, so that you see and feel nothing except your own energy.
I am a very strong physique.
If you go through with this, you've got to win. If you buck it up, don't ever think of coming back here, except in your coffin.
I can say this, I will win.
Like, comment, subscribe, sell your soul to the devil, give me your left foot's big toe, favorite, send the video to 10 people, share it on Facebook, cut off your left arm, and if you do all that,
you can make me happy and I can make you happy.
I used to be a fat, disgusting slob!
Nothing is real if you don't believe in who you are!
What now? Oh, I see.
Yeah, maybe fat, right?
I wouldn't go so far.
Okay, go.
You've been called the Da Vinci of our time. What do you say to that?
Absolutely ridiculous. I don't paint.
Sometimes my genius, it generates gravity.
Is that correct?
That's wonderful!
Thanks for your cooperation.
That boy sure is a running fool.
What's wrong with your eyes?
Where do I come from?
You want a banana?
Naughty, naughty!
Pam, 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 pam. We're dying here.
It's awesome.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.